Hey guys, again, it's me, Mr. L. This really shouldn't be a surprise considering I've done this before. Now, I'm going to talk about something again. By the way, go Niners. So, yesterday, I already told you about your element project. You know, the one where you have to make protons and neutrons maybe out of M&Ms, and then use a coat hanger as electron shells, maybe use a tennis ball for the nucleus, and then have electrons. And also make sure that your 3D model's on a stand, maybe a Nike one. No, let's be honest. We'll do an Adidas shoebox if you do it, because Adidas is so much better than Nike. In any case, what if I told you you didn't have to do a model? What if I told you you could do one of these instead? Does that sound better? Does that make some of you happy? So, in the last video that we talked about, we called it Mr. Linsangan's Draw My Science. But although this is science, this is a little more specific than just general science. So I'm going to call this project Draw an Element. Now, not only do we have one Ducks logo, but two. #1 team in the NHL. Let's go Ducks! So if drawing comic book characters is your thing, like maybe instead of listening to me while I'm talking in class, or maybe you're the type of person that likes to draw anime characters, maybe when you're supposed to be doing work possibly. Or maybe you're just someone that likes to draw in text. Well, this might be the project for you. Now, there's a couple of different maybe benefits that you may have to doing this type of project. For instance, there is no report. You'd basically be voicing over your drawings, which is basically kind of like speaking your report. That's all you'd have to do. 2, you wouldn't be you wouldn't be building a model. You will be drawing it. For instance, since no one does helium, or no one can do helium, I'll do a helium example. Now, helium has 2 protons, 2 neutrons, and 2 electrons in one shell. Okay. Notice that I did the protons in blue, the neutrons in green, and the electrons in red. #3, both people must do voiceovers. If you're thinking, oh, one person could do the drawing and the other person do the whole voiceover part, that's not going to work. Both people have to do it. Also, make sure you cover all the same material that's mentioned in the element project. For instance, where it was discovered, and if it's prevalent in dishwashing soap, hockey sticks, or coffee. Lastly, please be creative with this assignment. This is an opportunity for you to use technology and not do the same old project. Okay, so this is also the first class I've ever done this for. So be creative